Hey everybody, today we're gonna do the funny sounds in this video. Dun, dun, dun. Listen. This is animals as well. This animal's making these noises. This animal's just to let you know. That's a frog.
The kicker. Don't touch me.
Sorry.
Oh, good. Oh là là. Ah, c'est trop mignon. Do you want to go to Brennan? You want to go to the bed? Yeah? You want to go to the bed? You want to go? You want to go to the bed? You want to go to the bed? Do you want your mama?
Horse. And I'm also doing this on my computer, just to let you know. Seal. That's a seal. Sea lion. There's a little right, I'm sorry. Frog.
¿Qué pasa en su corral? Zapatero, ¿qué opina usted del gobierno de Zapatero? Pues igual que yo. ¿Y qué opina usted? ¿Qué opina usted? ¿Qué opina usted del gobierno canario? ¿Y de los...
This night has been magic.
I feel the same way too.
Monsieur, madame. Merci. I got it.
¿De los ayuntamientos de la isla?
Sheep.
I don't know. I'm done. Whoa!
Pug. That's Pug the dog.
Y'all don't get me in trouble.
Goat. That's a goat. Goat. That's funny. Seal. Said hey. Cat. That's a cat. Dog. It's singing. It's a siren. Now another dog. That dog. That's a dog. Dog. I'll say something else when it's on a different animal. Cat. That's funny. Go. this. Bird. Dog.
Hello.
It's Doge.
Hello.
Doge. Not Doge. It's not Doge. Doge.
I love you. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum.
A person saying that, then the cat copies it. It's eating. It's Shrek donkey. Tell me in the comments down below if any of these make you laugh. Please do in the comments down below. And this is my second video, just to let you know. But yeah. Wow, this is long. Well, this is part 1 of this video. So yeah, guys. See you later. And this is you, Aiden Ewart. Goodbye.